If you're looking for DIY kit wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 DIY kit wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Academy. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by ZHPUAT. Number 3. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Bluelans. Number 5, by Alivewise. Find these DIY kit wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6. Number 7, by Xinlands. Click the description below to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Acrylic. Number 9, by Vinci. Discover more DIY kit wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Link.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.